To a bomb, lads!
It's just gushing out of all the manholes. Should we go for a swim?
Let's do it, I got my shorts.
Yeah. Yeah, so this guy here tried to drive through it. Now his car's fucked. His car is just not working.
Hey, his car's gonna go further under.
The thing is, they've lost a number plate. Look.
Where?
That car. Yeah. I think it's still filling up because it's just water coming through here and it's coming out of the manholes and everything.
How deep is it?
It's got to be at least knee to thigh deep.
So we'll take off the socks, I can walk in.
Yeah. Oh, I really want to go swimming in it, even though it's black with just literal shit. Yeah.
This guy's gonna do it!
Oh! Yes!
Look, these guys, they don't understand.
What a top bloke.
Fucking lad.
Here we go.
They are just chilling. This guy's gonna regret it. I think.
Oh, it looks lovely. Oh no. You can do it. Keep going. You're halfway there. Someone else is completely fucked up. This is amazing.
He's got AIDS.
So why would you try going through this in a Citroen? He's probably contracted like at least 5 parasites and 2 diseases now.
He is going to be.
But yeah, I really want to go in and look for. Oh, the traffic lights are gone.
What?
Is that Citroen getting out? Oh, it doesn't sound good. Can't you do it?
Oh, that's a clench moment.
They're alright. They're good. It's all good. Just test your brakes.